Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick update video on my BB-8. I recently posted some pictures of the drive system with some of the upgrades I've made, and I was finally able to get him back in the ball and do some tests. A few disclaimers: his head rotation isn't set up yet. Also, the panels aren't really sanded or bolted down smoothly, so there's a lot of creaking and cracking when he rolls around, and there's some large gaps between the panels. But overall, it's good to have him back in the ball. It's been a while. So let me show you some of his functions. As you saw in the photos, he has full 360 head movement, so he can go forward, back, left, and right. I wanted to make him be able to lean way back so that he can look up at people pretty high. Obviously he can go forward and I can turn around. I'll show you some of the driving. Again, the motor smoothing isn't really set up yet, so everything's kind of jerky right now, but I'll let you see some. It doesn't help when you have a tiny space to drive also. He does drive a lot smoother in a bigger open space, but anyway, that's it. Like I said, a quick update this time. I will be getting some things polished off and hopefully showing some more soon.